When my friends see the facial expression of the patient is brought to me from far distance, the Midnapur district of Bengal. This is a case of bulbar motor neuron disease. Bulbar motor neuron disease, the patient cannot speak, cannot look at properly, cannot deglute the foods, খাবার গিলতে পারে না, ঠিক মতন কথা বলতে পারে না. The controlling power of the glossopharyngeal nerves and other nerves are disturbed within the mouth cavity. তার জিভের কন্ট্রোল থাকে না, স্যালাইভারি গ্ল্যান্ড থেকে যে সিক্রেশন হয় সে লালা গড়িয়ে পড়ে, খুব লালা গড়িয়ে পড়ছে. The patient cannot talk. নাম বলো, নাম কি? নাম বলো. নাম বলতে পারবে না, জিভ দেখাও, বড় করে বের করো জিভ, জিভ বাইরে বের করো. The patient cannot protrude the tongue outside of her mouth cavity. So tongue is salivated. The tongue is salivated and there is profuse salivation at every time. So this is called bulbar paralysis, my friends. Bulbar onset of motor neuron disease. This is a kind of motor neuron disease. You have already learned about the motor neuron disease, and this is the bulbar variety, also known as progressive bulbar paralysis or palsy. Or in medical science, if you go through the practice of medicine, it is known as PBP or bulbar onset of motor neuron disease. That means the bulbar palsy. So it is a form of the disease that begins in symptoms affecting the muscles of the face, tongue and throat, leading to difficulty of speaking, swallowing and chewing, my friends. It is characterized by rapid progression and is considered a variant amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, often with a poorer prognosis than other forms of motor neuron disease. So it is a very serious case. It is a critical case and it is very difficult to regain the patient at its normal stage. The speech problem is the main problem. Slurred speech, which is known as dysarthria, and difficulty in changing the quality of voice. And this patient, totally there is disturbance of the voice. There is swallowing of difficulties, খাবার গিলতে অসুবিধা, কথা বলতে অসুবিধা, ডিসআর্থ্রিয়া, কথা বলতে অসুবিধা, তার মেডিকেল টার্ম হচ্ছে ডিসআর্থ্রিয়া. আর খাবার গিলতে অসুবিধা, তার মেডিকেল টার্ম হচ্ছে ডিসফেজিয়া, প্রবলেমস উইথ swallowing which can lead to aspiration, food entering into the airways. মাঝে মাঝে খাবার সেই জন্য কী হয়, উইন্ড পাইপে চলে যেতে পারে এবং সঙ্গে সঙ্গে বিষম লাগতে পারে. So another symptom is chewing issue. Weakness of the facial muscles can make the chewing difficult, and muscle weakness of the body becomes weak, atrophy. So muscles of the face, tongue and throat can become weak and waste away, and there is involuntary laughing, crying, or for no apparent reason. So bulbar paralysis, bulbar onset of motor neuron disease, never forget in your life, my friends. This is a rare case, and in this occasion I have shown you the bulbar paralysis or the motor neuron disease or bulbar onset. It is primarily target the motor neurons in the brain stems, that is bulbar region, which control the muscles of the face, throat and tongue. So this is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder where motor neurons are lost. Symptoms rapidly worsen, affecting the increases number of muscles. While it starts with bulbar symptoms, other muscles in the body also may eventually be affected as the disease progresses. So motor neuron disease, bulbar paralysis. A neurological examination, imaging test, MRI, and tests like nerve conduction studies and electromyography help to diagnose the bulbar onset and rule out the other conditions or differential diagnosis. In fact, in allopathic mode of treatment, in practice of medicine, in the modern treatment, there is no cure, there is no treatment. But treatment focus on managing symptoms and improving quality of life. This can include medications for drooling and pseudobulbar affect and supportive therapies like physiotherapy, etc. So, in one word, the diagnosis is very poor. The disease progresses quickly with death, even resulting from respiratory failure within a few years of symptoms onset, my friends. So never forget motor neuron disease, which is bulbar in origin. ব্রেন থেকে যে নার্ভগুলো আসে কন্ট্রোল করে মুখের মাসেল, জিভের মাসেল, সেগুলো কন্ট্রোল করতে পারছে না, সেই জায়গাটা প্যারালাইসিস হয়ে গেছে। সো মাই ফ্রেন্ডস, never forget these conditions. Bulbar paralysis, motor neuron disease, bulbar in origin. You know the muscles of the face, buccinator, masseter, orbicularis oris, orbicularis oculi, platysma, levator palpebrae superioris, levator palpebrae inferioris, all the muscles become affected. As a result of there is deglutition difficult, chewing difficult, speaking difficult, and muscles of the tongue, you know the muscles of the tongue, motor muscles and sensory muscles. There are two types of controlling power of the muscles of the tongue are affected. জিভের মাসেলগুলো কোনো কাজ করে না। The muscles of the tongue are extrinsic and intrinsic. The extrinsic muscles are parotoglossus, genioglossus, hyoglossus, etc. All the muscles of the tongue are, you know, supplied by the cranial part of 11th cranial nerve the accessory nerve via pharyngeal plexus, except the isoglossus muscles, which is supplied by 12th cranial or hypoglossus. So, defect, disturbance of these muscles of the tongue, খাবার গিলতে পারে, muscles of the face, কথা বলতে পারে, prognosis is poor. So let's see the result. There is profuse secretion, tongue is moist. The disease started from the right superior extremity, hemiplegia, ডান দিকের অসাড় হয়ে গিয়েছিল. So mercurius is the choice of medicine, considering the initial aggravation right side, at present profuse salivation and tongue is very much moist. So let's see the result. I shall share you, my friends. The prognosis is poor. There is no cure in practice of medicine. Let's see and try how much homeopathic medicine can improve this case. দিনে 3 বার করে দেবে, সকাল দুপুর সন্ধ্যা।